Imagine that the inputs to the car are on the bottom, and they're going through a software stack to produce the steering and acceleration. And I made the observation at the time that there was a ton of C++ code around in the autopilot, which was the software 1.0 code, and then there was some neural nets in there doing image recognition. And I kind of observed that over time, as we made the autopilot better, basically the neural network grew in capability and size, and in addition to that, all the C++ code was being deleted and kind of like was, and a lot of the kind of capabilities and functionality that was originally written in 1.0 was migrated to 2.0. So as an example, a lot of the stitching up of information across images from the different cameras and across time was done by a neural network, and we were able to delete a lot of code. And so the software 2.0 stack quite literally ate through the software stack of the autopilot. So I thought this was really remarkable at the time. And I think we're seeing the same thing again, where basically we have a new kind of software, and it's eating through the stack. We have 3 completely different programming paradigms. And I think if you're entering the industry, it's a very good idea to be fluent in all of them, because they all have slight pros and cons, and you may want to program some functionality in 1.0 or 2.0 or 3.0. Are you going to train a neural net? Are you going to just prompt an LLM? Should this be a piece of code that's explicit, et cetera? So we all have to make these decisions and actually potentially fluidly transition between these paradigms. So what I wanted to get into now is, first, I want to, in the first